Good morning, and welcome to episode 196 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, October 16th, 2024. According to the IMF, global public debt is on pace to match 100% of global GDP, gross domestic product, by the end of this decade in 2030. The US and China are leading this post-pandemic surge in excess spending and monetary stimulus that's driving this increase in global public debt. Despite a stronger US dollar, gold and silver rallied yesterday and into the overnight markets, primarily due to lower bond yields and, more importantly, increased tensions in the Middle East. The world is standing by waiting to see what Israel's response will be to the attack by Iran with 200 ballistic missiles here recently. The world is urging caution, but Israel is expected to retaliate nonetheless. Let's go ahead and take a look at the figures on precious metals over the past 2 weeks, because you remember we didn't give any figures last week. Gold is up 0.9% to 2,675.20 an ounce. It was 2,652.30 2 weeks ago. Silver's up 1.1% to $31.89. It was $31.55 an ounce 2 weeks ago. Platinum is down $2 or 0.2%. It's trading at $1,001 an ounce. It was $1,003 2 weeks ago. And palladium is up 0.1% or $1. It's trading at $1,041 an ounce. It was $1,040 an ounce 2 weeks ago. With silver slightly outperforming gold, your gold-silver ratio drops this week. That's the number of ounces it takes of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold. It's at 83.89 today. It stood at 84.07 2 weeks ago. And I mentioned the dollar is surging a bit. It did surge here recently after a bout of weakness. It's trading at 103.28 on the index. It was 101.28 a couple weeks ago. So in this environment, both gold and silver are moving, and it's giving a lot of people the thought that they've missed out. I addressed that last week. Nothing could be further from the truth. Gold and silver are just getting started. There are just too many catalysts out there driving these monetary metals higher, and the best thing you could do is take advantage of what is right now lower prices, even with gold at all-time highs and silver at 60% of all-time highs. They are dirt cheap. As always, we like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us, send us your comments and questions. Follow us on social media. Sign up for our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.